August para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong impormasyon na yan.
So, sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG.
Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong.
Gago!
Ako lang po, tsaka si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor,
O opisyal.
ikaw. Ano relasyon mo sa kanya?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
You were what? You were just helping?
You are just helping who? Helping who, Madam Chair? Helping who?
This is too much lie, madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you helping who?
Helping.
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to mediate? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
Oh, so who gave you the go signal to talk to her?
Your Honor, thank you for that question.
Miss Mary Ann Maslog, this is not Miss Universe.
Meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit. Ngayon, ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
There was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So
Kaya
ano
po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta kayo Indonesia para kausapin si Alice ko. Hindi talaga, ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia? Para kausapin si Go Waping. Anong papel mo?
You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
di kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.